In 2025, you don't need a huge budget to get incredible Blu-ray performance. Today, we're counting down the 5 best beginner-friendly Blu-ray players, starting under $100 and climbing just a little higher. But every pick is HiFi ready and perfect for audiophiles on a tight budget. Stay with me, because number 2 and number 1 deliver shocking value. The Sony BDP-B1700U comes in at just $93, yet it performs far better than its entry-level price suggests. Sony designed this model for beginners who want clean, reliable Blu-ray playback without unnecessary complication. From the moment you fire it up, the interface feels simple, responsive, and beginner-friendly. Despite the low price, the B1700U handles Blu-ray discs with smooth clarity. Its video processing stays crisp, colors remain well-balanced, and motion stays clean even during fast scenes. This makes it excellent for movies, anime, or sports. The audio output is surprisingly solid for a budget player. Dialogue sounds clear, background details come through nicely, and the overall presentation is well suited for small home theater setups or first-time hi-fi systems. Pair it with a sound bar or basic stereo amp, and you'll be impressed with what $93 can deliver. Build quality is lightweight but dependable, with fast disk loading and stable playback. It's not flashy, but it doesn't need to be. This is the perfect first Blu-ray player for beginners, students, or anyone upgrading from DVD. For under $100, the Sony BDP-B1700U offers tremendous value and proves that great Blu-ray performance can still be very affordable in 2025. The LG UBP-X700 steps things up significantly, while staying beginner-friendly at just $149. This is a true 4K Blu-ray player, meaning you're not only getting better resolution, you're getting richer color, deeper contrast, and overall better cinematic performance. The UBP-X700 supports both HDR10 and Dolby Vision, two essential technologies for the best modern movie experience. Once you see a scene rendered in Dolby Vision, you'll understand why this matters. Highlights glow, shadows gain depth, and everything looks more lifelike. Audio quality is impressively clean for the price. Whether connected to a TV, sound bar, or stereo system, it delivers clear dialogue, powerful sound effects, and a nice sense of depth. It also supports high-resolution audio formats, making it friendly for beginners who want to step into better sound quality. Operating the player is simple: clean menus, fast startup, smooth navigation, and no unnecessary bells and whistles to confuse you. Build quality is slim but sturdy, with a no-nonsense chassis that feels dependable and modern. If you're looking for your first true 4K Blu-ray player with excellent HDR performance and solid audiophile-friendly audio, the LG UBP-X700 hits a perfect balance between affordability and serious home theater capability. At $179, the Panasonic DP-UB150 is often considered the sweet spot for beginners who want better picture accuracy without paying premium prices. Panasonic is famous for their video processing, and the UB150 brings that expertise into an affordable player that punches well above its class. Where this model truly shines is its HDR performance. It handles HDR10 Plus beautifully, delivering deeper contrast and more dynamic scenes than most budget 4K Blu-ray players. Colors look rich but never oversaturated, and dark scenes remain clean without crushed shadows. Panasonic's processing also enhances fine details, making movies look sharper and more cinematic. Even older Blu-ray discs benefit from improved clarity and smoother motion. Audio performance is surprisingly strong, detailed, open, and very clean. Whether you're listening through a sound bar, stereo system, or AV receiver, the UB150 provides excellent handling of both movie soundtracks and high-resolution audio files. The interface is straightforward and quick, perfect for beginners who want plug-and-play simplicity. For under $200, the Panasonic DP-UB150 delivers some of the most accurate picture quality of any Blu-ray player in its price class, making it an outstanding choice for new home theater enthusiasts. The Sony UBP-X700 is one of the most beloved mid-budget Blu-ray players, and at $259, it's still one of the best values in 2025. This player is a major upgrade over basic models, offering premium features while staying accessible to beginners. First, picture quality is outstanding. The X700 supports both HDR10 and Dolby Vision, allowing it to adapt to almost any 4K TV for maximum brightness and color accuracy. Details look crisp, motion is smooth, and the overall presentation feels cinematic. Where the X700 really stands out is versatility. It plays Blu-ray, 4K Blu-ray, DVDs, CDs, SACs, and high-resolution audio files. That means beginners can explore physical media, movies, and audiophile listening all from one compact machine. Audio quality is excellent, clear, dynamic, and well-balanced. Pair it with a stereo amplifier and good speakers, and it becomes a seriously capable HiFi transport for a fraction of the cost of dedicated audiophile gear. The interface is polished, disc loading is quick, and the design feels clean and modern. If you want a player that does everything, plays almost everything, and sounds fantastic doing it, the Sony UBP-X700 is the surprise overachiever of this list, and easily one of the best beginner-friendly Blu-ray players ever released. The LG BP-175 takes the #1 spot because it delivers the best overall value for beginners in 2025, combining excellent performance, simplicity, and a price of just $128. This is the perfect starter player for anyone who wants dependable Blu-ray performance with clean, consistent picture quality. Colors look natural, motion stays smooth, and the image remains sharp even during fast action scenes. For the price, it performs shockingly well. One of the biggest strengths of the BP-175 is reliability. It loads discs quickly, rarely freezes, and handles older Blu-ray collections without a problem. Beginners love how easy it is to set up. Plug it in, connect HDMI, and you're ready to watch instantly. Audio quality is clean and clear, making it ideal for pairing with affordable sound bars, bookshelf speakers, or simple hi-fi systems. Dialogue stands out, sound effects pop, and overall balance feels surprisingly polished. The interface is simple, responsive, and beginner-friendly. No complicated menus, no extra features you don't need, just straight-to-the-point performance. If you want the best combination of price, quality, and reliability, the LG BP-175 is the easy winner. It's the ultimate beginner Blu-ray player for 2025. These 5 Blu-ray players prove you can get excellent picture quality, solid audio performance, and smooth operation without spending a fortune. Whether your budget is under $100 or closer to $250, there's a perfect option for every beginner. Sony offers great value, LG delivers unbeatable ease of use, and Panasonic provides stunning picture accuracy. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these players would you choose for your home theater? Drop your pick in the comments, hit like, subscribe, and get ready, because more beginner-friendly hi-fi guides are coming your way.